All right, so we've upgraded the cannon, and what we've done now is I've got it on a remote control so it won't blow up on me. And here's what we got going. This is my remote firing control, and this allows me to remotely control the cannon. This is the remote sending unit, and those are the leads. That is what's called a Tesla coil, and it takes 6 volts and turns it into 40,000 volts, makes a nasty spark that sets this bad boy off. Also, I've got the manual sparker. Hit that right there. Let's see if there's anything left in this cannon. Nope. And anyhow, there's the cannon. Here's what our Tesla coil is. I used my iPhone to record the decibels, and it registered at 113. I plan on making louder cannons and more videos.